Ever plugged in a second monitor and suddenly your audio vanishes into the digital ether? Don't worry, you're not alone, and this video will get your sound back up and running in no time when you're rocking a dual monitor setup. First, let's check your playback devices. Right-click on the sound icon in your system tray. Then, select Open Sound Settings. On the Sound Settings page, under the Output section, there's a drop-down menu. This is where Windows decides where your sound should go. Click this drop-down and carefully select your correct audio output device. This is often your speakers or headphones, but sometimes Windows defaults to the audio output of your secondary monitor via HDMI or DisplayPort. If you're still having trouble, let's manage your sound devices. Click on Manage Sound Devices right below the output selection. Here, you'll see a list of all your audio devices. If your second monitor's audio output is listed and enabled, but you don't want to use it, right-click on it and choose Disable. This is especially helpful if your second monitor doesn't have speakers or if you want to avoid accidental audio routing. Now, try playing some audio test. You should hear sound coming from your intended device. And there you have it, no more silent second monitor scenarios. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. #Windows Audio #Dual Monitor.